which is echoing in Parliament as it did yesterday as well. The Congress MP is seeking a discussion on Vinesh's ouster. Manickam Tagore has filed an adjournment notice in connection with the same. And what he's demanding is the withdrawal of the sports minister's statement, saying that athletes need support and not financial data. Crossing over to my colleague Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, for our viewers' benefit, can you explain what exactly the statement was, which was made by the sports minister, that Manickam Tagore has now filed an adjournment notice in regards to?
Well, absolutely. See, Congress Chief Mr. Manickam Tagore has given adjournment motion in the Lok Sabha regarding the speech made by Sports Minister Mansukh Mandavia. Now, in that particular notice, he has asked the withdrawal of the speech made by Mr. Mansukh Mandavia, where he has spoken about the financial assistance that has been given to Vinesh Fogart. Now, after that remarks, we have seen that strong reaction has been coming in from the Congress side. Now, the Congress calls this particular statement very unfortunate and shameless. Now, on the other hand, the Congress also levels allegation against the central government, stating that Vinesh Fogart did not lose on the mat of wrestling, but lost on the mat of conspiracy. Now, time and again, we have seen that strong reaction has been coming in from the opposition side and various leaders of the India Alliance. They want a proper investigation into this matter. Now, yesterday as well, we had seen that ruckus in both the houses of the parliament, both in Rajya Sabha and in Lok Sabha. In Rajya Sabha as well, where the member of parliament from the opposition, they demanded a discussion on Vinesh Fogart, where Mallikarjun Kharge stood up and said who is to be held responsible. Now, Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar in fact stated that at this particular time it seems that it is only the opposition who feels regarding Vinesh Fogart, but the truth is that the entire nation is with Vinesh Fogart. After that, we have seen that war of words broke out between Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar and Mr. Derek O'Brien inside the parliament, after which Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar in fact walked out of the Rajya Sabha, and similar situation took place in the Lok Sabha as well, where the opposition demanded a discussion on Vinesh Fogart, and the speaker did not allow it, and after which the opposition parties decided to walk out of the house. Meanwhile, the opposition have been demanding a proper investigation into this matter. In fact, from the NCP, Supriya Sule, in fact, demanded an investigation of the support staff as well.